drinks?
Water. Water keeps your body healthy and hydrated. Milk. Milk helps make your bones strong. Soda. Soda is fizzy and sweet. Tea. Tea comes from tea leaves and can be hot or cold. Coffee. Coffee helps you wake up because of caffeine. Milkshake. Milkshakes are creamy drinks with milk and ice cream. Orange juice. Orange juice has lots of vitamin C. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a sweet drink made with cocoa. Bubble tea. Bubble tea has chewy tapioca pearls. Apple cider. It takes about 36 apples to make 1 gallon of apple cider. Coconut water. Coconut water is full of electrolytes. Smoothie. Smoothies are blended fruits and vegetables. Iced tea. Iced tea is cold tea served with ice. Lassi. Lassi is a yogurt-based creamy drink. What's your favorite drink?